These are grandchildren, and this is a lovely bed, king size bed. As you can see, this bed is wooden, all wooden bed. And this was manually carved and decorated. That's the headbed. And then this is the bottom of the bed. That's the headbed, the bottom of the bed here. So I just want to let the grandchildren know how to make bed and make it very well. So you start, take up the blanket. One person holds the blanket. Okay, that's the holding the blanket. Then take off the sheet. Okay, one person hold the sheet. Then remove the other sheet. No, leave it. Don't put the pillowcase on the floor. Okay, just feed it back. Just feed it back. Since the pillow going sideways, we'll feed it back that way. Feed it back. So run your hand there like that, and it gets the bed straight. Eh? Run your hand there like this, and you straighten it. Good. Okay. No, you're not going to do it that way. Turn it. That, you see, okay, you see that level? Yeah. The level go down. Down the way. Down the way. It goes up. Hmm? So you see this? You put this one, this top faces up. You have seen? Yeah. That's the mistake that you made before, and then you put this side, both side, facing down. Eh? So stop. Repeat it now. Hmm? Are you seeing? Hmm? Yeah. Have you seen? Yeah. Put this top sheet. Eh? Mm-hmm. This down sheet, they call it fitted. Eh? Then they call this one a flat sheet. You understand? Yeah. This is a flat sheet. No. Okay. Leave that part there. Okay, bring your bed. Bring the blanket now. See this part of the blanket? This part of the blanket goes down. This one here goes down. this blanket is this this blanket is queen, while this is a sheep king bed. This blanket is queen.
Okay.
Queen beds are smaller than the king. Okay. You send it a little bit down. It is mark. Can right down. Okay, put it in now. It's pressing your hand. Move your hand. Okay. Okay, let remove your hands from there.
This one is not.
Yeah, pull it a little bit. That's it. The blanket is queen, and okay. Now you see, we use this one now. Turn it like that. Turn it. Okay. Then roll it on down. You see now?
Yes.
Eh? Eh? So the bad side is on this side now. Then cover yourself with the good side. Eh? Good. Now put the pillows. Okay. See the pillow? If the pillow is too long like this, you bring it like this, you see? You see? Then yes, that's good. The grandchildren have successfully made the bed. You can see. Okay, B doesn't know how to fold that one. Come and show her. Come and show her.
Just come.
Another grandchild just popped in. That's good. Have you seen B? Eh?
Yes.
Good. Good. Like the video, do subscribe and share. God bless you.